Hare Krishna, welcome. Please join the sloka. That is 13th chapter, 23rd sloka.
उपद्रष्टानुमन्ता च भर्ता भोक्ता महेश्वरः परमात्मेति चाप्युक्तो ध्येहेऽस्मिन् पुरुषः परः.
The explanation by Lord Krishna of the body, which is the field, and the knower of the field, that is Krishna himself. He is explaining the full chapter, he is explaining point by point. In this particular sloka, Krishna says, in this body, there is another, a transcendental enjoyer, who is the Lord, the supreme proprietor, who exists as the overseer and permitter, and who is known as the super soul. Now, you must know the difference. The transcendental enjoyer, also he is saying as a supreme Lord, that is himself. And the other one, what is the other one? Knower of the field also is Krishna only. So, being a person knowing the inside is one thing. A person residing in that body itself is one thing. And the roles are different. When you are residing in the body, when Krishna is residing in the body, he is a supreme super soul, that's all. Four-handed Narayana. But enjoyer is a different topic altogether. Because there is some field, any field, it may be magnetic field, it may be industrial field, it may be a IT field. And somebody should grasp the meaning of that. So somebody should know the field. That is super soul, that role is different. So Krishna says that supreme person is the supreme proprietor also. So I always say this, Rishikesha. Rishikesha has two meanings. Apparent meaning is controller of senses. Deeper meaning is, then that control of senses is separate from the person, from the whose senses we are controlling. But another meaning of Rishikesha is owner of senses. That means he himself is the owner of all the senses. Then if he is not the proprietor, then who else can be? So only the proprietor can be the controller, and he is the owner of the whole thing. So when he is the proprietor, then we don't have any liberty to do on our own. Because when he is the best, let him do his job. We will simply surrender to him and allow him to take over. He is the enjoyer, he is the knower, he is the executor, he is the overseer. He sees what we are doing inside, in our heart. You can study the heart like the palm of your hand. And permitter. He permits us to do something when we think of doing something. And he is the super soul. This much he has explained in this one sloka. Now, when we talk of a proprietor, I am reminded of a joke. So, Keshav group of companies, there are many. In that, there is one shoe shop also. Shoe brand he is having. One day he visited, by rotation he will go to different companies. He visited that shoe shop, Keshav shoe shop, and in that he found one man. He said, one man was going to him, this one sales boy was like, no sir, no, it's not there. Then Keshav got annoyed. He has instructed everybody, any customer comes, it's a good method anyway. Any customer comes, he asks anything, you should not say no. You should get some stock from somewhere, retain the customer, get the stocks from back door or from the godown and give it to him. Because we should not lose a job, sale. That's what his opinion is, that's correct. Because in Tamil Nadu, in the shops, if you ask, you got jaggery? Suppose it's not there. He'll say, I got tamarind. And he will get the jaggery anyway, but he will not say no with his mouth. He will not say no. Do you have salt? Means he will say, I got dal. Uppu undante pappu. Like that he says. Uppu irkan, Tamil paruppu irkan. So that is the way they deal. So this way, this fellow, when he said like that, Keshav got annoyed. He said, Sir, please come back. He does not know. We got a lot of stock, sir. We got a lot of stock. That fellow looked at Keshav strangely, and without answering him, without coming back, he went off. Then he turned to that salesman and he asked him, what did he want? He said he has come newly and asked whether we had any rain last week. For that I said, no sir, we don't have rain. That you mistook it and then called him back and all. That's why he was not understanding. That's the way owner talks about lot of rain in the city and that being the stock in the shop. Hare Krishna.